kasamahan na si Senator Lacson. I'd like to congratulate him
Mr.
for
President,
his
my
very
distinguished
thorough
colleague.
investigation of the case. Biro mo, may isang bayan, Mr. President, na nakatanggap ng 3.2 billion worth of projects, particularly flood control. Sa mga flood control projects na nakikita naman po natin substandard, nagko-collapse at mukhang money-making racket lamang po, Mr. President. Mr. President, I laud our distinguished colleague, Senator Lacson, for this speech, but I'm hoping that he can give a part 2. Kasi po, kulang pa po yun. For example, kung saan pong home video ng aking nanay sa Bicol. Marami din pong ghost project sa Bicol, maraming palpak na project sa Bicol, lalo na sa home province of my mother in Albay. So sana may part 2 po niyan at may labas din po natin yung mga kapalpakan nito mga contractors also in the Bicol region and other parts of the Philippines where we can see these discrepancies, Mr. President. So once again, maraming salamat kay Senator Lacson, but we're still hoping that the Blue Ribbon Committee can go down even further in naming the proponents of these projects. Kailangan natin malaman dito sa Senado, ilabas natin ang proponents ng mga projects na to.